Hi, welcome to Cosmetology. I'm Natalie and I'm a senior from Cloverleaf, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Cosmetology program. And this is Damien.
Hi, I'm Damien. I'm also a senior from Cloverleaf. This is our school salon. It's called Today's Image. We're open to the public and serve real clients.
And next we're going to go take a look at the shampoo area with two of our juniors from the junior program. Here we have Mia and Riley. Mia is performing a scalp massage on Riley, which is one of the basic fundamentals of our program that you learn first in junior year. And next we're going to go on to the facial room where we have Jaden.
Hi, I'm Jaden and this is the facial room. In cosmetology, we also focus on skincare. Another service we do in this room is pedicures. I'd also like to mention that my home school is Buckeye High School and I'm still involved in cheerleading and track. And thank you for visiting the facial room.
And here we have Kylie performing a Shellac Manicure on Maddie. Shellac manicures are one of our most popular, but not the only manicures that we offer here at the Career Center. And the next place we're going to go to is Haley, demonstrating our hair color, which is one of our most lucrative services in the salon. She is performing a foil highlight, which is one of the most popular, but there's also a variety of different hair colors like bottle application, full head, all those good things. This is just one of our few chemical services. And next we're going on to Michaela. She is performing a perm wrap, which is one of the other chemical services we offer here. Perm wraps are constantly coming back into the industry and becoming more popular. Next here we have Alyssa, who is our makeup artist, performing a cosmetic service on Jenna. Cosmetics are one of the most popular things that people want to partake in when they come into the cosmetology program. Makeup is constantly a growing business and it's always very fun to take part of. And next we're going on to Elisa, which is our final service that we are going to go over today. But we not only perform haircuts on women, but also men. Lisa's demonstrating a clipper haircut because not only do we do sheer haircuts, but we also do clipper, razor, and other types of haircuts here. And we're going to bring back Damien and talk about our plans after high school. So some of the other things the Career Center offers is academics and also electives. So for example, I am in honors classes and I also take electives like psychology and anatomy. Some of my plans for after high school are to go to college and use what I've learned in the cosmetology program as a job to get me through college because I plan on going to law school.
After high school, I plan on working at Salon Evangeline. I landed the job through my summer internship from junior to senior year. And I'm really excited to continue to grow my skills I've learned here at the Career Center and the salon. Thank you so much for joining us during our tour of the cosmetology program. We hope you learned a lot and hope to see you next year.
Bye.